Look at the burger, guys. Wala si Henry. Dala mo ba?
Hi guys, I want you to meet my friend. Henzi, bago! Tada! Ito yung spicy dip nila.
Oh, ang langit!
Ah! Nasabi na. From top to rock bottom and now rising again, welcome to Henzi's Hot Chicken Junior. Hi friends! Welcome to Found and Featured, where we discover unique businesses with unique stories and give them the spotlight they deserve.
This is Hensy's Hot Chicken Junior, an American-inspired hot chicken brand rebuilt with grit, passion, and fire. They started strong, just like every small business owner dreams. A fully equipped restaurant, full of hope, believing anything would fall perfectly into place. But maybe life had other plans. A great challenge came, one that tested their faith, their courage, and their dream. And soon, they had to close their doors. But like every great comeback story, they didn't stay down. With unwavering belief in their product and with the support of friends and family, they rose again. Today, they serve not just hot chicken, but a reminder that passion burns brighter after every fall. This is Henzi's Hot Chicken Junior, rebuilt, reignited, and ready to serve once more.
Itong mga wood pallets, galing lang to sa mga friends natin. So, marami silang ganyan. This one, yung signage, this came from our booth. So, hindi mo na ako masyado nagpa-party booth ngayon kasi nga, ang focus ko is sa franchise. Pero eventually, we'll go back to that one. Ito ang aking Lucky Charm. Dala ko ito palagi. Even doon sa malaki na store, lagi itong naka-display. Dala-dala ko siya palagi. Kasi nga nakaka-attract ng mga bata. Parang very inviting. So, palagi itong kasama ko. Ayan. Bukod doon sa staff ko, palagi ko kasama to. Tapos, that one, yung buy. Ito, this came from my father also. Yung concept kasi, sabi ko nga, it's a bit personal to me, pero may pagka-retro and old school. Kaya yung mga signages natin, mas pinili ko yung mga vintage na steel plates. Yan, dito kami nagsimula. Yan, yun yung... Sa Parkway, yung kauna-unahan nating branch, yung full branch talaga. And then, yan, yung mga lights natin. Yung iba lahat binili ko na, pero eto mga drop lights, galing yan doon sa kabilang store, sa old store. Kasi from the big branch, tapos nire-brand ko, without hesitations, without fear, and without regrets. Eto na yan. And this Hot Chicken Junior. So, sa una nakaka-feel bad kasi yung pride and ego mo, sa coming from isang malaking business, hindi naman ganun kalaki, pero yeah, tapos para sa mga nag-start, malaki na siya. Tapos, bigla kang magda-downsize. That's, malaking baba ng pride and ego. Pero, I know, lahat yun magiging worth it.
Ma'am, nung ano ba kayo? Like, nung bata pa kayo, na vision nyo na yung sarili nyo na magkakaroon kayo ng business or like parang into business talaga kayo or parang recent na lang nung nagdalaga na kayo, nagkaanak na?
Funny kasi, nung bata ako, palagi ako dinadala ng inay ko sa Jollibee. So, ang dream ko lang nun is maging manager ng Jollibee. Maging dream ko talaga is, mag-manage ng isang restaurant. And then, when I grew up, high school ako, ang nakalagay doon sa nakalagay sa yearbook ko, I want to become a businesswoman. Before kasi, I used to work in a bank. Talaga ako, bank officer, loan officer. So, back office kami. So, exposed ako with sales, with marketing, tapos other people, public relations. And then, natigil ako for years dahil I have to take care of the kids. Mas tinutukan ko sila. And then, nakaisip kami mag-business ng partner ko before. And ang gusto ko talaga is food. Kasi it's a basic necessity. Nag-start ako franchising other businesses, pero food din siya, and then kiosk. It inspired me kasi yung nag-start ng business na yun ay young couple, age 25 and 26 I think. Right after that, we
parted ways ng partner ko. So, naiwan yun sa kanya. So, may background ako about franchising. And then, came this opportunity. In-offer din sa akin ng cousin, also a brother, also a best friend. He's currently in the US. Kami baliktad eh. Nag-start kami from malaki. And then, downsize kami to kiosk. So, we started with a big branch, that one. And as you can see, ayan yun. Malaking branch talaga siya. It's a full-size fast food restaurant. So, promising yung menu. The concept is from the US. Yeah, yung chicken tenders in the US. So, adopted here in the Philippines. So, with a dream na very huge, we're planning to grow the business na hindi lang dito sa Lima. So, we're looking at Calabarzon area muna. So, originally, talagang ang focus is sa franchising. And then, ayun nga, nagstay kami sa Parkway for 1.5 years. So, medyo nag-cut na kami ng losses. Kasi medyo kailangan kakain pa talaga ng ibang years na investment. So, from that one, you have to pay some suppliers. So, malalaking talaga sa akin halos naiwan. And then yung cousin ko na nasa US, siya yung nag-assist sa akin paying all the bills. So, ako naman, hindi ko mapigilan yung sarili ko na to grow this one. Kasi alam ko na madami na kami nagawa. Madami na rin ako nagawa. Kasi before siya mag-close, naka-ready na ako. Naka-ready na yung concept ng kiosk. May application with SM, application with Lasal. Kasi I really want to grow this one na gusto ko, makikita ko siya all over the Philippines. Kasi we were expecting na it will be a hit right away.
Yes.
So, yung expenses namin, hindi pa kayang isuffice ng naging income. So, the budget, yan yung medyo madugo. And to tell you honestly, I hit rock bottom. As in, rock bottom talaga. I have nothing. And then, along the way nga, yan, friends, tumulong sa akin na friends para matapos lahat. So, maraming natutunan, like, to tell you honestly, if you're in business, don't dig into something that you can suffice, that you can support. Kasi dapat talaga when you build a business, sabi nga nila, kapag ang capital is 100 pesos, thrice nun yung marketing mo. Hindi pa ganun kahaba yung PC namin and hindi pa rin ganun ka lakas yung loob ng iba kong kasama. Ako kasi I'm willing to give every day kasi alam ko naman sa sarili ko na kaya. And also the product is really promising. Sabi nga, ang business is not for the weak.
Yes.
Lalo na sa akin, no? I'm a single mom. So, yung everyday needs ko, dito ko rin kinukuha. So, ang dami. I have to manage the house, my mom, the kids, studies, this one, marketing. I'm really blessed with my family, especially with my children. Kasi, they believe in me. Yung mother ko is also there to push me. So, yun talaga yung biggest push and also friends na andyan. And as long as, for me kasi, as long as may isang naniniwala, tuloy, I'll go for it. At saka, it's really a dream. Dream ko talaga na to see Hensies all over the Philippines. So, ang ginawa ko noon, July, I opened yung Grab. Grab, online delivery muna kami. Tapos ang ginawa ko is home kitchen muna. Para yung marketing na ginugol namin within 2 years, hindi naman kami masayang. Hindi naman mawala sa ng mga tao. Tinuloy ko siya. Kasi paglabas ko dito ng subdivision, nakita ko may nakalagay na for rent. So sabi ko, I don't have that much funds, pero nilakasan ko yung loob ko. Sabi ko, if it's for us, if it's for me, God will provide.
Ano yung pinaka natutunan?
It's the resiliency and the people who believe in you and your belief in yourself that you can do it. And yun nga, focus lang sa what do you want to get in life. Well, actually, this one kasi, ang isa ba rin nag-inspire sa akin to grow this one is yung mga staff ko rin. Kasi syempre, right after closing the business, I'm thinking also about their families. So may natira akong isang staff. Sa business kasi parang sabi nga nila, pag sinarili mo lang, blessings won't come. Ako kasi, at the back of my mind, I'm building this one not just for ourselves. I don't have funds nung binuo ko to tell you honestly. As in, konti lang talaga. Pero I have relatives willing to support. So, yan. And then friends, actually, itong mga wooden pallets, friends just gave this to me. I got this for free. And then yung rent natin dito, mabait din yung landlord natin na para, sabi ko, sir, i-serve ko lang po muna yung place, wag niyo na po ibigay sa iba. Talagang nung sinend ko sa mga friends ko, lahat sila positive, lahat yung vibes. And ako, halo-halo. Meron na dyan yung kaba, nandiyan yung excitement, kasi it's a new chapter. I'm hoping for the best, not just for myself, for the shop, and for the rest na who supports me. Yung faith in everything. Kay God, sa ginagawa mo, sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, sa vision mo, and sa magiging future ng ginagawa mo. Talagang kailangan mo maniwala na kaya lang.
Wow!
And now, my most awaited moment ay ang ating food tasting. By the way, guys, this is my first time na matikman ko tong Hensy's hot chicken nila. So, makikita ko parang serving. Na-excite akong tikman siya kasi ang dami ng chicken tenders. So, muna, itong original flavor nila. So, ito.
Yung chicken natin, yan na breast siya. So, alam mong healthy. Chicken breast.
And this is good, ma'am. Pero gusto ko siyang tikman with yung burger na mismo. Kumahalo sa lasa ng chicken yung vegetables nila and yung pickles. Yung chicken kasi guys, lasang-lasa niyo siya kasi hindi kayo titipidin sa chicken. And then, next naman po ay, mama na naman to.
Chicken
Ito yung-
tenders also, and then may lettuce yan.
Ito po yung simplified.
Yeah.
Ma'am, yung sauce po nila, pwede po silang pumili. Yung mga student, kung anong pwedeng ilagay.
Yeah, for the rice meals and for the tenders. Pero dun sa rice bowls, they can choose the flavor ng sauce na rin. Drizzle siya on top of the chicken and the rice.
Sige, i-press that. Ano mo? Hindi po kasi kasya sa aking bibig. Pero ayan. Guys, ito po yung natural ano po nila. Ito yung serving po talaga nila. Hindi po dahil binibideo namin
Yeah.
or what. Pero ito yung normal serving po talaga nila.
Normal serving. And the sauce is really house-made.
Inyo po talagang recipe yung sauce. So, can you tell us kung paano nyo naisip yung recipe? Hindi naman po yung mismong recipe.
Yeah.
Kung paano nyo lang naisip yung ito yung gusto kong sauce.
Yeah. Sa menu kasi, ang katulong ko na dyan ng paggagawa talaga is, pag-conceptualize is yung brother ko, cousin, pero I call him a brother kasi nga, he's like a sibling to me. So kaming dalawa na yung nag-ayos ng menu.
Ito na yung ating Hensy's hot chicken, pero rice meal nila. Ito ay barbecue flavor, pero pinaseparate ko yung isa nilang chicken tenders para dito sa spicy nila. Kinakabahan ako sa spicy since hindi nga mahilig sa spicy, pero let's try it pa din.
Sa samyang, hindi ako umiyak sa times 3 ba yun?
Sige, try natin. Grabe, so may sauce. This is good. Grabe. Wait lang. Isa pa. Another bite. If i-describe ko yung lasa niya, juicy na po kasi yung chicken tenders nila. And with their sauce, with their own personalized sauce, sobrang sarap ng lasa niya. Yung sauce nila na barbecue, hindi super maalat, hindi din super maanghang. May konti siyang kick na maanghang, pero hindi siya ganun kaanghang. So, perfect siya for everyone na gusto may lasa. Yung chicken, rice, wala. Ang generous nila, guys. Look, ang generous nila sa rice and sa chicken. So, mind you, hindi na kayo lugi sa ibabayad. And once again, for your information, at because we're filming this, kaya ganito yung serving nila. This is their normal serving. Normal serving. So, if you order here and if you go here, ganito yung matatanggap nyo. Ano yung natanggap ko, ganun din natatanggap nyo. Okay? Okay. And ano to? Student friendly. Since malapit si Hensi sa school, Tanosian, must try. Okay na. Nakabahan ako dito. Super maanghang ba ito kuya? Pero gusto kong try. Yan. Nagpahiwalay po kasi ako ng isang tender, chicken tender. And then, ito yung spicy dip nila. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! lang. Nangyas ako nun ah.
Ano mo ba na-repeat mo?
Hindi na po kasi. Guys, yung spicy nila, spicy talaga. Pero hindi naman yung parang RIP na spicy. Spicy talaga siya. And yung sauce niya, iba siya sa spicy sauce na natikman ko sa ibang. Naglag. Iba siya sa spicy sauce na natikman ko sa ibang chicken store or what. Isa pa. Tignan natin. Hipan ko pala muna na pasubo ako ang hanggang. And guys, yun nga. Para malaman yun, hindi ko dinadaya. Dami. Bukas na ako. Yan guys, yun nga. Para malaman yun, hindi ko dinadaya. Nag-iinit ako. Pero maanghang ka guys. Dama mo yung anghang niya. Pag dinip mo yung chicken, then kinain mo siya, una, mainit-init siya. And then saka mag-ano yung spiciness niya, yung flavor ng dip niya, yung chicken. The chicken itself, it's so good. Pero with their dip, personalized sauce and dip nila, mas better. Mas complement yung lasa talaga. Sobra. And ang partner nito guys, walang iba kundi Blue Lemonade. Ang anghang. Balas, binanas ako doon. Parang namula ako doon Hindi na po. Maano kasi ako malakas. Pero, good siya guys. Budget friendly, student friendly, good for students, for moms, for kids. Grabe, all around. And, ito guys pala, hindi siya pina-fried ulit or hindi siya iniinit yung chicken. Freshly fried na ibibigay sa inyo yung chicken. Even on our chicken sandwiches, ayan, freshly cooked silang lahat. So, rest assured na hindi kayo tinipid and sulit ang inyong mga ibabayad. And ayun guys, once again, I am MJ, your host for today's video. And bago kami mag-outro, gusto ka lang ma'am, baka merong gusto niyo i-promote si Hensi Hot Chicken.
Yeah. So, definitely, I'm inviting you all to come and visit us here at our San Carlos branch. It's just near Canosa Academy, Adelina Homes, and across Dali. So, madali lang siyang puntahan. And, ayun, come and try our chicken tenders. And for sure naman po, hindi po kayo magsisisi. Also, we're also into the franchising business. So, for franchising inquiries, kindly contact us sa page namin, and then I'll be the one to assist you. That's it. We do have also pala our party booth.
Ayan, so if meron kayong parties, we can bring Hensies to your doorsteps.
Wow.
Ayan.
Ayan, thank you guys for watching and for listening. Grabe, yung inspiring story ni Ma'am and yung business niya, kung paano niya binuo from rock bottom and starting again. Once again, this is Found and Feature, where we discover unique businesses with unique stories and give them the spotlight they deserve. So guys, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, comment, and the notification button so that notified kayo sa aming next video.
Thank you so much also for having us.
Bye-bye! Sabi ni Hexy! May kick. Yung anghang. Utong! Ah! Bye guys! Cut!